Welcome to the Postman Day. PM Narendra Modi is all ready to visit Chennai on 14th of February. Let's look at the schedule. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Chennai on February 14 to lay foundation stones for several projects and inaugurate many other completed projects. A grand function has been organized at the Jawaharlal Nehru Indoor Stadium in Chennai to host the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is scheduled to arrive at the Chennai airport by 10:40 am and then reach the stadium in a helicopter. After the function, he will leave for Kochi by 1:35 pm, thus limiting his Chennai visit for just 3 hours. As of now, there is no party level meeting scheduled with the Prime Minister, and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Yedapadi K. Palaniswamy and Deputy Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam will have a small informal chat with Prime Minister Modi at the stadium. Tamil Nadu BJP meanwhile said that the party has planned to give a rousing reception to Prime Minister Modi as he arrives in Chennai. Tamil Nadu will be facing assembly elections this summer, and it is likely that more senior leaders of the BJP will visit the state in the run-up to the polls. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is likely to visit Salem, and BJP National President JP Nadda is also likely to visit Tamil Nadu again later this month. JP Nadda was in Tamil Nadu during the Pongal festival in January. A team from the Election Commission of India was in the city for 2 days to review poll preparedness. While all political parties in Tamil Nadu unanimously requested ECI to conduct polls in a single phase, the exact dates are yet to be announced. The ECI on Thursday also announced that Tamil Nadu will get an extra hour of polling and 25,000 more polling booths for the upcoming elections. The officials also said that the election dates will be decided keeping in mind the harsh summer, the examination for students, and Tamil New Year dates. The team met with Tamil Nadu's Chief Secretary on Thursday to discuss poll arrangements.